Hi everybody, how are you? I have a haul. It is a Michaels haul, and I don't do a lot of my shopping at Michaels, but there are times that they have some really, really neat things. And I wanted to redo my bathroom. This bathroom was my kids, my two youngest, and then when they moved out, went to college, got married, I never decorated that bathroom, and so now I'm going to. So I'm going to show you some things I got. Now the majority of this stuff is for the bathroom. I got, I think, well, there's maybe two things that won't go in there. Anyway, I got a couple of these foam roses. Now, I did did I? I don't think I ever filmed it actually, but I've made flowers and I'm going to make more coming in the next few weeks. But I went ahead and bought these because, let me say also, all of this was 40% off, plus Michaels gives you a senior discount. Woohoo! It's the only time I like being a senior. Anyway, so these were $9.99, but they were 40%, well, so really 50% off with my 10%. So these are kind of a creamish yellow, if you will. I don't know if you can really tell because it's 11 o'clock at night, and I have my ring light on, and I don't know what justice it's giving to the color, but I get these in when I can, guys. I was with my daughter and my grandkids today, so that's why I'm doing this tonight. So I got those. Then I got this pillow. Now, of course, this isn't going to go into the bathroom, but I have another haul, and this haul that I'll be showing you is from At Home. It'll be probably next week, because what I try to do is I try to do maybe a couple hauls and then I do a couple DIYs and to break it up. But anyway, this is actually embroidered on, all of this right here. This is not oh shoot, you know, like a vinyl. This is actually embroidered on. Now the flowers aren't, but this is. And the other things that I got from At Home are going to go really good with this, and this will go in my formal living room. And this is probably it. Let's see, does it say English Garden? It doesn't give the dimensions. I believe this looks like a 16 by 16. I don't have a tape measure right with me, but anyway. So I thought that was pretty. I got this, and it looks like a Ray Dunn, but it's not. And these could be made so easy, but it was only, well, I believe it was $4.99, 40% off. And so I'll put a picture in this. Actually, I might make some of these for Christmas. I needed some black and white acrylic for my Mackenzie Child, because I have quite a few of those coming up. This is not for the bathroom. My bee theme is coming up, and I'm doing things with the bee theme. I just loved it so much. But this little beehive, and this was $9.99, well, 50% off. And when I say 50%, it's 40% and then 10%, so 50% off of this, so $5. Then they had these little tiny pots. I thought these were so cute. These were 40% off too, and they were $1.99. But little terracotta, they're plastic, but they look like terracotta with these little herbs. I thought those were so cute. So I got 3 of those. Here's my white for my Mackenzie Child. And then here's the other 2 little plants. And the reason I got this is considered a frame, so they were 2 for $6. That's right, they were 2 for $6. And so then this one I will put in my bathroom, and this would look cute. Both of these actually would look cute in a 2-tier or 3-tier tray. And it just has a little clip. And again, hello, Dollar Tree, there you go. I'm going to make some of these for Christmas. Then I have a bird cage that I'm going to be revamping, and they had these little birds because I could not find the right birds that I wanted, the right color. So these were $5.99, 40% off. And they're resin. So I got 2 of those. Here's the other one. Then I always get my soap from Bath and Body. And sometimes I like the look of their containers, but I got this. And this was 40% off, but I thought this was really pretty. And I always like a clock in the bathroom. And I couldn't believe this one, Vintage Clockworks, and this was 10. Well, $19.99, but then with the amount off, the 40 and then the other 10%, so $10. Had this, please wash your hands, so I might put that on the counter with the soap dish. And this was in with the, oh, this was all with bath. It was actually a bath setup, not the bee, but the clock, this, the soap. But then they had this, 12th Avenue, it's in French, but this is cute and has the little feet on it, and it's whitewashed, so you wouldn't necessarily have to have this side if you didn't want to. You could have this side, but I thought this was cute. And again, this was with the bath section. Then they had this, and this is big. This is probably 20 by 20, and it just says wash your worries away, and it's all was in the section with bathroom decor, and it's made of tin, so I'll hang that up. Like I said, I haven't done anything to this bathroom, and my kids have been gone for 10 years. Well, my last one. My second to the youngest was gone before that, but when she got married, it's been 10 years, so yeah, I've never decorated it, so I'm going to do it, and it'll be with the whites and the black, and yeah. Then the last thing is this lantern, and I like the feet on it, very English country. And then I'll just put an LED, and then it just opens up like this. So I got that. So I will take pictures of the bathroom as I am starting it and when it's finished. So guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.